Welcome back. My name is Derek, and today we're talking my new favorite Vans. Now, before we get started today, I just want to make a little bit of an announcement. I know that you're probably used to seeing my travel videos here on the channel, but going forward, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a mix of travel, stuff I've picked up on travel, different reviews of things I own, and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I think you're going to like it. I have a new studio set up here, which is really awesome. So if you're interested in any of those things, please like and subscribe below. All right, now getting into it, I've owned Vans for years. I love them. I've taken a few pairs traveling. I've had a bunch of different authentics in different colors. These are probably my third right here. You can see that they're a little beat up and worn. I've had these for probably about 3 years now, I'd guess. And then I have some of the classic slip-ons as well. I've only ever had these in black and white. I really love them, but my new favorite Vans are actually gonna be these Old Skool Pros. So these are actually the one with the suede in navy blue, which is a really nice colorway in my opinion. These also have a cushioned, the Ultra Comfort cushion, or what does that say? Ultra Cush footbed there, which is a little bit different, a little bit softer than the footbeds in the rest of these in the older Vans that I have here. But I'm starting to like it. It's become really comfortable. The first few days, it actually hurt my feet a bit, but now I'm getting used to it and really like it. So the Duracap is actually denoted right here on the side of the shoe, and that is because with the older Vans, the big problem is when you flex these shoes over time, you get this. So they actually start to separate there, and that's what this has got a little bit more protection for. It is a little bit more expensive. These were $65 on the website, and since they are suede in parts, which is the front here and right above the heel with a little bit of leather trim on the side there, they do need to be waterproofed, which water and stain shield is what I got with these because I didn't have any. I'm sure you can use any other brand if you want to, but this is the official Vans that they sell for these guys right here. I've had no problem with it. I do it once a week or so because right now it is winter in Iowa. It's cold, it's wet, and I do wear these to work. So I do go in and out of the building a few times a day, so they'll get a little bit dirty. Obviously, this isn't an unboxing. I've actually worn these for about 3 weeks now. They're in good condition. Yeah, I'd say they're still in pretty good condition, pretty clean. I hope to keep them that way for a while as well because I really like these. There's actually not a lot to talk about with these shoes. They're the same standard old school design that you know and love from years past. I've heard some things that they look a little bit bigger than the original ones, but I don't have the originals to do a comparison on them. So I'm going to keep this video very short, and I'm actually going to go ahead and do a try on with some pants and shorts so you can see what they look like if you're considering buying a pair of these.